Need a physical copy of your Infinix text messages? Whether for personal records or legal proof, printing SMS can be super handy. In this video, I'll show you 5 reliable ways to easily print messages from your Infinix phone. Part 1. Print out text messages from Infinix via Assistant for Android left bracket versatile right bracket. To print SMS from an Infinix phone, you need a computer with a connected printer and Mobikin Assistant for Android, Windows, and Mac. Export and print. Step 1. Install and open the Android Desktop Manager on your computer. Step 2. Connect your Infinix via USB and follow the prompts. Your device overview will appear. Step 3. In the left panel, select the SMS option. The software will scan the messages stored on your mobile phone and present them in the right panel, allowing you to conveniently read and preview all your Infinix text messages. Step 4. Choose the specific messages you wish to extract from your Infinix phone and click the Export in the top menu. Save the text messages in your preferred format, such as CSV, text, XML, or HTML. Finally, connect your computer to a printer to print the exported messages effortlessly. Part 2. Print an entire text message from Infinix by taking screenshots. Open the Messages app and find the conversation you want to print. Take screenshots. Use scrolling screenshots if available. In the gallery, select the images, tap Share, choose your printer, adjust settings, and hit Print. Part 3. Print SMS history from Infinix phone via Super Backup and Restore. Install Super Backup and Restore. Backup SMS to an XML file, move it to your computer, open with SMS Backup Viewer or a text reader, then print. Part 4. Print off text messages from Infinix via SMS Backup and Restore. Install the app, Backup Only Messages, choose Storage, then tap View Backups. Open a conversation, select Print, choose your printer, and print. Part 5. Print text messages from Infinix via Google Messages Web. Open Messages for Web on your computer. Connect your Infinix via QR code or Google account, then press Ctrl+P Windows or Cmd+P Mac to print.